Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet coming back to you in the kitchen with another video.
Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet coming back to you in the kitchen with another wonderful weight loss video. In this video, you guys, I have a wonderful drink that's going to help you to get rid of that belly fat. And this is a meal replacement that you drink in the morning as breakfast, all right? And you do this every day if you choose to. But this is what's going to help to burn that belly fat, shrink down that stomach area, and get you snatched, okay? So let me show you this easy recipe. Let's get started. All right, now I'm going to show you these wonderful ingredients that you're going to need for this powerful recipe. Okay, we're going to be using our NutriBullet blender. Okay, we're also going to be working with instant coffee. Coffee is rich in caffeine and antioxidants called polyphenols, which have several health benefits, including decreased inflammation and free radical damage. When it comes to boosting weight loss, coffee appears to have two potential benefits: decreasing your appetite and increasing your metabolism, as well as one large banana. Bananas are a healthy addition that provides a range of vital nutrients, which is a good source of fiber. This fiber helps in reducing bloating and controls the appetite and replace processed sugars. If you don't have lemons or limes, you can also use the real lemon juice. Lemons promote fullness, supports hydration, boost metabolism, and increase weight loss. And as well as 2 cups of warm water. Now you don't have to have it warm, but I want my drink to be warm in the mornings, so I warmed up my water. Now you can also do the same if you don't want that cold beverage in the morning. You can warm up your water, okay? Not too hot, because we're going to be working with our blender. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is add my bananas. Next ingredient is my real lemon juice. Now you're only going to need a half a teaspoon. So I'm just going to wing it and put in, or should I say, you put in 1 teaspoon. So I winged it and put in about a teaspoon of lemon juice in there. Next ingredient, we're going to be using our instant coffee. And we're going to be using 2 tablespoons. Now this spoon is a 2 tablespoon spoon, so I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons of my instant coffee in there. Okay, pop that in there. And lastly, we're just going to add in our filtered water. Now for those of you who need that cup of joe in the morning, this is a wonderful way that you can get both in. And because the banana is sweet enough, no honey is required, or no honey is necessary. Okay, but you can really spruce this drink up. If you want, you can also add in other stuff. You can add in your flax seeds, your chia seeds. All right, you can even add in a little oatmeal if you want to. Okay. This looks good. It smells wonderful too. Like I said, you can add in some of your oatmeal and it will be a whole lot more filling. So next you're gonna get your big mama or big daddy mug and we're gonna pour this in. Oh my gosh, look how wonderful and creamy that looks. And there you go, you guys. And pop in your straw. And you are ready, okay? You're ready to enjoy a wonderful beverage that is going to help to get rid of that belly area. It's going to shrink your stomach fat down and it's going to help to boost your metabolism because of the instant coffee, all right? So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe that you can conjure up in your kitchen, and this is what's going to help to get rid of that excess belly weight, all right? And in 3 days, you're going to see some wonderful results. So continue eating healthy if you're able to. Do some walking, at least 30 minutes, little exercise, cardio, and you're going to see some wonderful benefits in your body with this drink, okay? So like I said, drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. You do this every day. You could do this even past the 3 days for even more benefits, all right? It's delicious, it's nutritious, and it's healthy. So you guys, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family also on a weight loss journey. Also check down below in my Amazon affiliate links for the wonderful blenders, NutriBullet Personal, as well as the full size, wonderful metal straws, and so much more down there. Also check in my eBay store for awesome products such as the popular Firm and Flat Belly Detox that's going to help to shrink your belly, get rid of that excess weight in your body, and get rid of the stuff in your colon. It's going to detox your body, as well as wonderful and powerful herbs, spices, and honeys to boost your body up, okay? Also for more than just weight loss. So check down in my eBay store. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, for wonderful hair care, skincare, and wonderful important topics, okay? So until the next time, you guys, I welcome you to join me, and I will see you in the next video. If you haven't seen already, your girl has lost some weight. So far, in one day, overnight, when I got on the scale this morning, I was 3 pounds lighter. So in total, I've lost my 20 pounds. I wasn't expecting that. I had to go on the scale like 3 or 4 times just to make sure that it was right, and yeah, it was right. This is time to get snatched. Summer's coming, summer's coming, all right? Check down in my eBay store, y'all, for these wonderful herbs, spices. Plus, get that Flat and Firm Belly Detox. What are y'all waiting on? That's been helping me, okay? Every other day, I drink 4 tablespoons, okay? 4 tablespoons, and that clean me out in the morning. But get that Flat and Firm Belly Detox, y'all. I'm telling you, get that Moringa Living Bitters if you can, because that is also a tonic to help get you going. And I usually like to take that during the morning time and then take the other one in the evening every other day. And OMG. Okay, so if you need to get detox to clean that body, clean that colon, clean those intestines out, I have it down in my eBay store, all right? So y'all, are you ready to start your weight loss journey? Because I want to show you how to kickstart that new you body fast. I have this wonderful detox tonic that will have you feeling and looking better in the skin that you're in. And it's the popular Firm and Flat Belly Detox and Energizer Tonic. This tonic will help you to lose inches, cleanse your blood, burn unwanted body fat. This will also flatten your stomach, remove waste, boost your metabolism, and strengthen your colon. This tonic is powerful, and within 4 to 6 hours after taking it, you will definitely have to go. You're going to have a huge bowel movement followed by several more throughout the day. This tonic will remove all of that excess waste stored in your colon, which will have you feeling better with more energy. You can drink 2 to 4 tablespoons in the evening before bed, and by the morning, you are going to have to go, all right? You're going to be going to the bathroom. So you repeat taking this straight for 1 week, and then after that, every other evening to continue removing that toxic waste from your body. Of course, you should eat and drink healthy light meals as well as do some exercise for maximum results. Feel and look better in no time. The Firm and Flat Belly Detox Tonic can be found down below in the eBay store. So hurry and get your bottle while supplies last.